Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I thought I'd show you my little special color I like to use on some local lakes around here. We're going to laminate some swim baits with the new Fat Guys Fishing mold I got. So stay tuned. Let's get into it. Alright, so let's get this in the cups and then I'll bring you back. Alright, so we got our plastisol in the Pyrex cups. Let's get one heated up and we'll just start with 2 minutes 30 seconds. Let's get this heated up and then we will start adding in our colorants. Alright, we're at 365. That was with another 30 seconds. It's got a lot of micro air bubbles in there. I don't know if you can see those, but we will back this down here once we get our colors mixed in. Alright, so we're going to use LureWorks Watermelon 101 and I'm going to start it with 30 drops. That looks good. Excuse me. So we're gonna be a little heavy on our purple flake. It doesn't really matter where you get your glitter from. This is Fat Guys Fishing Purple 0.015. And we are gonna do, let's see, let's put in 1/16 and see what that looks like. I might do one more of that. Try to make it a little more glittery this time. Yeah, we're gonna go one more full scoop, so should be 1/8 of a teaspoon. And I don't know if you guys have problems when you get your glitter out with your little measuring spoons. If you notice, mine's that gray color. I sprayed Frankfurt Arsenal Dropout on it, so it helps that glitter slide out and doesn't stay stuck down in there. I don't want the glitter to be the main focus. That's why I'm using the 15 thousandths instead of the 40. And we're gonna put just a hint of the, this is LureWorks Silver Holographic in 0.015. It's just gonna bring it out. So we're gonna do about half of a 1/8 or half of a 1/16. It's like a version of watermelon candy almost. That looks good. All right, let's get our bottom color done. I gotta throw that in the microwave for a minute. While I got that other heating up, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in the vacuum chamber and I'll be right back. Alright, we got our bottom color all heated up. We're gonna start off with the Dead on Plastic Snowshine and we're gonna do 20 drops to 1 cup. Get that stirred up. It looks good. So we're going to use MF. It's the light silver non-bleed 338X2. We're just going to put 1 drop of that in there. Almost had 2 drops. Alright, and then we're going to use Lureworks glitter. It's sparkle blue, 4237, and that's in 15 thousandths. We're going to do almost a full scoop of a 1/16 of a teaspoon. We might add just a hair more. There we go. That's what we're looking for. Now this has a ton of air bubbles as well, so I'm going to put this in the vacuum chamber and I'll come back in a few minutes. We'll get that top color out of the vacuum chamber and we'll get it reheating back up. Alright, we got them reheated. Let's give this a shot. Injector's cold, the mold's cold, the blending block's cold, and I've never shot a laminate in this one, in this mold. So I've only shot this mold twice so far. I haven't learned what temps it likes yet, so we're gonna find out. Alright, we're gonna let that mold cool off, and I'm gonna get these reheated back up. We'll do it again, and we're gonna see how it looks. So here's our blending block. Give you a little preview of what it's gonna look like. Alright, it's cooled down some. Let's see what these look like. So this is the Fat Guys Fishing 4-inch rip shad mold. So it looks like it bled just a little. Have to adjust my temps. It doesn't really pick it up on the camera good. See, the bottom's a little translucent, but it reflects off that green, the green back. So you can see in the tail. Well, that's not bad. I'll play with my temps a little more. I don't see any denting. So it's kind of like a magic color, but then once you laminate it, it's like a baby bass color. To me, anyway. So this time I'm gonna throw in this the Anglin AI 3-2 rip wrap. We're gonna do both of these. I'm gonna try to shoot it just a tad hotter, so I can do 2 molds. Alright guys, these have cooled down. Let's get them open. And this is where I shot them a little bit hotter. looks good. That one bled a little bit right there, right there. That one looks good. The tail's all formed good. So this mold shoots pretty good. Alright, let's look at this angling AI. This is the 3.2 Rip Shad. They never want to come out on the same side. So you can see in that one really good. Well, I can. I don't know about you guys. If I put it up on my hand, it kind of reflects and it looks more yellow. There it looks white. So these all look good. See if I can shine some light on it for you. Oh, not green light. It's a little better. Alright, so the rest of this color I'm actually going to add in some pearl. I like it's 139 pearl from Lure Works. I don't know why, but it came in a glitter bottle. It's not. And do about a half of a 1/16 of a teaspoon there. It's just not hot enough. I let it sit here too long. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and shoot some 2.7 Midwest Finesse Ned rigs. And I can't remember where I got this mold from, but it's like a drop shot worm. I want to say it's like 5-inch. So as long as we got enough plastic, we'll shoot both. Definitely got it hot this time. I'll let it cool off a minute. So on these do it molds that are the swing style, I found out if you have it super hot, it'll flash no matter what. I don't care how many clamps you got on it. At least that's how my mold is. 323. Alright, let's let those cool down, see how they turn out. Alright guys, these are cool. Let's see if I flash this mold or not. No. Perfect. Sometimes these, they'll get a little air pocket in them. It's usually from midways back. And it'll form on the outside, but it'll be air in the middle, so I always check these. These are all good. I don't know if you can pick up that purple glimmer from that pearl, the violet pearl. And then our drop shot worms. Nice. I need to make some Morning Dawn drop shot worms. Let me get all this cleaned up, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the color today. I call it the Crucifix Killer. I will leave the recipe in the description below. And I guarantee you this is going to catch you some fish, so give it a try. Alright guys, if you stuck around with me this far, I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please hit the like button and leave a comment below. Please like and subscribe. Thanks guys.